Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. And I am Sachin Pal from Unnao, Uttar Pradesh. And I hope you all are doing well and you are able to enjoy a lot. It's a winter season and today it's rain in morning and as usual, like you already well known, like I have taken a 100-day challenge for myself where I'm going to create a video blog in spoken English on daily basis. And today I'm in field side of my village in the touch of nature. You can see the environment of here. There are so many crops are growing nowadays. This is wheat crop and this is also growing in a very good manner. And to in order to grow wheat crop, winter is very necessary. The places where winter season is not there, or cold is not there, there is wheat crop is not growing. And this is mustard crop, it's flowering nowadays, and you can see beautiful crop is this is. And today I want to give a message you all who really want to gain mastery in spoken English. So in order to gain mastery in spoken English, you need to follow some certain methods or methodologies. So if you really want to, like the people who is going to start from beginning, so they must need to consume English content more and more. If they are going to consume English content more and more, then they are able to become familiar with English vocabs, words and phrases and sentences. Without consuming English content, you are not able to become familiar with, and when you need to express something in English, then you are feeling stuck because you are not aware about the English meaning of these things. This is the crow flying in the sky, and yeah, this is another crow gone, and this is the dog. He's trying to catch the crow, and yeah. So let's continue what I'm saying. Like, if you want to learn or master spoken English, then you must need to consume English content more and more for beginner. And if you are in intermediate level, then also you need to consume English content, uh, because if you are continuous on it, then you are able to survive in this environment, and you are also able to become aware about the modern phrases and vocabs. And number two, or second pillar of mastering spoken English is shadowing practice. So in our surrounding there are so many people who are know little bit about shadowing practice, but they are not aware about shadowing practice fully. So I'm going to make it clear. Shadowing practice is the process of repeating or imitating any native speaker. So but in our Indian surrounding, if we are going to do shadowing practice with some native speaker who is from other countries like USA and Germany, then we feel difficult because they are speaking very fast and we are not able to understand some words, and also we are not able to follow them. So we need to start shadowing practice with some our Indian speakers, because Indian speakers, we need to become familiar with spoken English. No need to that much go for accent, because nowadays there are so many people who are changing accent, and they are feeling not that much motivated and energetic. So no need to go for foreign accent, please go for Indian accent, because Indian accent is also good, and need to try to speak in English in your own or original way. No need to be fake, need to be original, because in original you are able to express your thoughts and feeling in a good manner and correct way. Because there are so many people who are trying to do shadowing with the native speaker who is from other countries like USA, and they are using incorrect sentences in order to express their feeling, but they are fluent. No need to change fluency, you need to change for express your feeling or thought or knowledge in the front of someone in your original way. And one more thing I want to give, I want to suggest to you all who really want to gain confidence in spoken English, or who want to master spoken English. So you need to be original, and also you need to be consistent over that, because consistency is the key of gaining anything in a rapid way. If you are consistent on anything, then you are able to do it in a very correct way. And if you, like for spoken English, we are not having our surrounding, or we are not having the our surrounding environment where peoples are talking in their native language. So we need to choose some virtual environment where we are able to practice our spoken English. Like whatever knowledge we are having, we are able to express our thought or knowledge in the spoken English. So that's it for today, and I hope this content is able to add on something on your personality and knowledge. And if you are feeling like I'm able to do some add on your knowledge, then please hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share with someone who really need it. And this is the dog is going somewhere for chasing some food or something. So yeah, these things are happening in the field side, and the environment and nature is here, we are able to take good breath. So yeah, please hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share with someone who really need it. And also give suggestion, if you have some suggestion for me, then feel free to drop comments over there. And stay healthy and wealthy, stay learning. Goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead. Thank you so much for being with me on this journey. And today is the 32 day of that particular challenge, and I'm going to follow this challenge till 100 days, and I'm going to make memories. Goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead.